Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the weekly chart of ConforMIS Inc. Now, if you are observing the chart and more specifically this highlighted section, what you can see here is simply, let me show it to you. So there is a sharp bounce, then a sharp decline, and the next trend should be like this, but instead of that it is moving like this. Okay, it is moving like this. It means it is making its base, but slowly and steadily it is moving on the upside. So that's the most important thing that you need to understand over here, because the trend must sustain, and slowly but steadily it should move towards the upper end of the range. So what we have here in terms of level will be something like this. Okay, so you have three different levels to look at, obviously starting with your immediate support. So what we have here is 1.17 with your immediate support, or as your immediate support. Then you will have your next support at 81 cents, and your final support or stop loss at 58 cents. So it would be better if you choose your support level a bit wisely, because 1.17 is fine, but it is not looks correct if you go below 81 cents and try to find your support at 58 cents, because if you move from the current price towards 58 cents or 59 cents, it is like 55 or 56% of a depreciation or downside. So better not to go below 81 cents. That would be fine. And because the stock is standing tall and it is holding above 1.17 or 1.18, so the level that we are going to look at here, let me show it to you. So the levels that we are going to look at here will be something like this, and you have your initial target or stop loss, bigger pardon, initial target or resistance at 1.53. This will be your short term target as well as resistance, because until and unless the stock crossed 1.53, we can't go anywhere further. So 1.53 will be the first level that you're going to look at. Then you will have your second big resistance or near term resistance at $2. So these two targets must be crossed, and if these two targets get crossed, we will have our third target or third resistance at 2.77, and after 2.77 you will have the big resistance or the recent high that the stock has made in the month of, I think it's June 2019. So which is here we are, 4.92 or $4.95. So these are the four primary targets that we are looking at if the stock is holding at the current level, and we have to trail our stop losses looking at the kind of price action this stock has. But the stock has a very steady movement, and slowly and steadily what it is doing, it is now moving above all the important long term moving averages, because mind you that we are looking at a weekly chart. So if this is happening, then once it find its feet above all the important moving averages, and if it starts sustaining above all those levels, mind you, the next leg of uptrend will be very quick and very sharp. So the big target that we are looking at here will be 4.92 or 93, as this will be your big resistance or the high of 2019. But if you are looking at a long term, then we are thinking beyond 4.93, which will be your breakout level Once that happen, or if the breakout happens beyond 4.93, and if the stock sustain above that, we are looking for two specific levels, which will start with 11.3 and can go up to a high of 14.84 on the upside. So these will be the two levels that we are looking at for the time being. Let's see how the price will perform, and we will reanalyze it again. So for the time being, we will have our range starting with 58 cents and can go up to 4.9 or 4.93. Beyond 4.9 or $5, we will have our next set, which will start with 11.34 and can go up to a high of 14.8 on the upside. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.